So if I had only 30 days to make $100 a day online, this is what I would do. I would start completely from scratch, no audience, no viral video, no lucky moment. These are the 5 hustles I would test, not because they're trendy, not because they're easy, but because they either have a real demand or realistic earning potential or long-term scalability. And I'm going to tell you which one are they today. So if you are new to this channel, welcome. My name is Salua and I have been working remotely for over 8 years now. And today I teach people how to make money online so they can work from anywhere. So let's dive in. So which one of these 5 online jobs I'm going to test and start if I needed the money quickly, because speed and scalability are not the same thing. So quick note before we get started. So if your goal is to make $100 a day, that's $3,000 a month, you need realistic model, not hype. So let's break it down. Hustle or gig or online job number 1 would be selling Canva templates. Yes, I know you've probably heard this before, but it's because there are a real demand. And I myself, before I started doing my own design, actually purchased a membership where I was paying every month to get templates already made for me, and then I customized them based on my clients. That's what I used to do when I did social media marketing for clients. So there is a real demand. So how would I go about this? So selling Canva templates on Etsy, now here's why I like this one. Etsy already has traffic. You don't need followers, you don't need to go viral, and you don't need to dance on TikTok. But here's what more people misunderstood. This is not about being a designer, it's about validation. If I were starting from scratch, I would not design first, I would research first. I would go on Etsy and I would look at the hundreds of reviews, the purchases, and what kind of templates are ranking. What niche keeps showing up? Because the real skill here is not design, it's positioning. So let's be honest, at the very beginning, it's going to be slow. You might need 5 to 10 uploads or listing before one hits. But once it's ranking on Etsy, it can sell while you sleep. And if I wanted something that compounds over time, I would test this. The speed, I would give it a 4 to 10, and the scalability, I would give it a 7 out of 10. All right, so let's move on to hustle or side hustle or online gig number 2. This one is pretty interesting. It's called freelance proofreading. And this one is very much underrated because I've seen beginners land client with this faster than people trying to build a brand. The skill itself is simple. The real work, sending proposals consistently, most people quit after 5 applications. But if you treat it like a system and a job, 5 to 10 applications per day for 2 weeks, your odds go up dramatically. So once you hit 1 to 2 recurring clients, hitting $100 a day, you just do the math. It's an active income, but it's realistic. So as a beginner potential, I would give it an 8 out of 10. Is it passive? No. But you can still make money and you can definitely hit your $100 a day online. All right, so let's talk about number 3. But before we do that, let me know in the comment section what kind of remote income are you looking for? Are you searching for something specific? I read everything, and if you have any type of questions, leave it in the comment down below. All right, so online gig number 3. This one is my favorite and I actually practice it myself. It's digital marketing. You can definitely make more than $100 a day when you do digital marketing. And honestly, this is where I'd focus, because one client can become $500 a month already, and then you can upscale that. And I've talked about this many times on my videos. I've also myself have my own digital marketing agency called Ibeline Media, so go and check it out. Feel free to see what I'm doing over there. But I definitely would recommend that if you are trying to hit this amount of money faster, start with digital marketing. It's not going anywhere, and marketing has been around for. And so here's the truth most people miss. Small businesses are overwhelmed. They don't need marketing genius. What do they need is consistency and someone who helped them in this chaos of their business. And so if I were to start over, I wouldn't say,
"Hi, I'm a social media expert."
I would say,
"Hi, I noticed your Instagram bio isn't optimized. I made a quick suggestion for you," because you always want to give value first.
And then you pitch. And then this requires confidence and outreach, but earning potential are very big. And for that, I will give it the score of 9 to 10. All right, so let's move on to hustle or online gig number 4, affiliate marketing. So let me be clear, because I personally don't do much of affiliate marketing. I only have Amazon store, which I have the link in the description, and I share the products that I enjoy and use. But I'm pretty sure if I was going full-time on affiliate marketing and using websites like ClickBanks, I would do really well. TikTok is another one. There's creators online who have made hundreds of thousands, if not millions, just by selling products they love on their platform, doing lives, doing short videos, and they've done very, very well. So affiliate marketing is not fast money. And if you need rent next month, so this month, this is not your first move. Affiliate marketing requires traffic, requires consistency, and require platforms like I just mentioned TikTok, but also YouTube, Pinterest, writing blogs. But once your content ranks, it can generate a real income. It's slower, but it compounds over time. So in a short term, I would give it 5 to 10. In a long term, I would give it 8 out of 10. So if you decide to start with affiliate marketing, think about it for the long run, because you can do really well, but you have to show up, you have to be consistent, and there's a lot of money to be made. All right, so the final online gig I would recommend if I wanted to make $100 a day is to sell digital products. And that's something that I also do. And by the way, I do have a whole guide for $27 that teach you everything you need to know to get started with making an income online. And it's called the Remote Income Starter Kit, and I will leave the link in the description. So selling digital product like digital guides or an ebook, this can work beautifully, especially if you already have distribution. The product isn't the hard part. Attention is. So if nobody sees you, nobody sees the products you're trying to sell, that can get really hard. That's why digital product works best when it's connected to your own content. So you have to have some sort of following online, whether it's an email list, your own website, a blog website, your own content, your videos, whatever it may be, but you need to have some sort of audience if you want to start selling your own digital product. Another option is to sell other people's digital products, but now we're going back to affiliate marketing. So without traffic, I would give it a 6 out of 10, but with an audience, you can do really well with digital products, and I would give it a 9 out of 10. So to wrap this up, if you need to make money fast, I would pick freelance digital marketing as my number 1. And if I wanted to do something that could grow without me every day or every hour, I would do the Canva templates. But then if I wanted something long-term that compounds growth, then affiliate marketing. So now if you are serious about making money online, I also do have a free guide. It's called the Remote Income Roadmap, and I'll teach you the benchmark of what you need to get started, and I will leave the link in the description down below. So I'd love to hear from you. Are you trying to hit $100 a day actively, or do you want to build something that pays you long-term? I'd love to know. Leave it in the comments. I read them all. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll send you a lots of kisses from Mexico. Bye bye. Bye.
On a fini avec la vidéo numéro 2.